Hello guys, Merry Me. Welcome back to another magical video. So today we are unboxing the Witch's Roots box. I'm so excited to unbox this, guys. I've never had this subscription box before. So let's get right into it. And it's kind of funny, I'm wearing my Chanel jacket, but I should have wore it for the Witch's Bounty unboxing because that's like witchy being bougie. So I got this cool little necklace that I'm wearing from them, guys. I love it. So let's go ahead and open the Roots box. Oh, look how magical it already looks, guys. Ooh, so I get a custom tarot card reading just like the Witch's Moon box that they have. And all these other cool things, Book of Shadows artwork. So just to give you guys a little backstory, if you don't know about the Witch's Moon, links in the description box down below. You guys can subscribe to either their Moon box, their Roots box, which is this one, or their Bounty box. Their Bounty box has a jewelry pendant along with a candle, oil, and incense, and then their Witch's Roots box, which is this one. I believe it's around $35. This one is one that has a bunch of magical herbs that you can work with to make potions and all that good stuff, and their Moon box has herbs, candles, a big witchy magical something, crystals, necklace, all that good stuff. So let's go ahead and open this, guys. I'm not going to really read the info card until I get more into the herbs. So it looks like the card that I got, guys, is Balance. So my tarot card is a balance card, and it looks really beautiful with like a girl on top with the sun energy, and it says balance. All is perfect just the way it is. Own it, acknowledge every part of you, and you will find the balance you are seeking. So this is really magical and neat. I'll see what they're trying to tell me, guys, and think about it later and meditate. So it has this beautiful Book of Shadows card, and it's got spearmint on here. I'll show you guys a nice close-up, and yeah, it's just so magical, and it's so nice that I'm doing this Witch's Roots box when I personally myself bought some magical plants. I got some lavender, some Russian sage behind me, gardenia, Goddess Nyx chilling in the corner, hi Goddess Nyx, and some sage back here too, guys. So I recently got more witchy magical herbs, so it's nice to go ahead and get some from Witch's Moon too. So I got these beautiful messages, and time to open everything else, guys. It looks so magical. I just love their packaging. Do you guys see their beautiful packaging? Like, it's so nice how they have everything with the shredded paper on top. Let's go into this. It looks like there's a dropper in here. So I believe this is for their oil. Ooh, this is so fun, guys. Let's open this up. I love how they have it bubble wrapped too. Do you guys see this? It's all nice and secure, so nothing's like broken. I've never had a problem with like broken stuff with them. Oh, so this is Spirit Ritual Body Oil. Oh, I love it. No one really talks and works with the element of spirit, guys. Like, that's one of my favorite elements. Earth, air, fire, water, and spirit. Totally resonating with me and like Goddess Nyx. Like, what? They have the element of spirit? That's awesome. And they go ahead and include the glass dropper for you guys too. And it's bubble wrapped very awesome, so it won't break. So you guys can go ahead and use this little dropper and put your oil on your crystals, on your body. I just love this little dropper. I think I would definitely be using this more than this lid. And it looks like there must be some spearmint in here, guys, some herbs. Hear that little Lemurian quartz crystal they got in there. It's so magical, so witchy. I love the little potion. Let's see. Besides that, there's a little box in here, guys. What's in the box? I get another necklace. Oh, I love this so much, guys. It's got the crescent moon on here, totally giving me my Goddess Nyx vibes. Oh, I just want to say a big thank you to Witch's Moon for sending me these items to review. And thank you, Goddess Nyx, for blessing me to be able to work with them. Oh, I love how they sent me this box, guys. So this one has a beautiful message on the back. I tread gently but with strength of spirit. And there's a little moon, guys. This one was from their Witch's Moon box this month, this beautiful crescent moon. And this one is a little beautiful moon pendant. It's giving me some House of Night vibes meets Celtic vibes too. Oh, I love it so much, guys. I can't wait to be wearing this necklace. It's so beautiful. And I love how they have a beautiful message on the back to remind you every day, like a little mantra you guys can repeat. It looks like there must be some stone in here too. So, oh, this is beautiful, guys. I have a clear quartz bracelet, but not one like this. Oh, this clear quartz bracelet has like relations in there. And it's a tumblestone bracelet, so it's very like natural looking. Goes great with like the Roots box vibe. So I'm gonna read you guys what some of the stuff means, what they sent. But a clear quartz crystal amplifies energy, so anything like around you, or like you have another crystal, if I have my tanzanite with my clear quartz crystal, it'll magnify the energy. And a clear quartz crystal you can use to program to work as any other crystal, so that's a cool property of clear quartz. I love it so much. So with this box, it looks like it's about psychic clarity, which is amazing, something I'm working on enhancing my intuition and power. So for the body oil, it's a special blend that has created with the fractionated coconut oil. We have created this ritual body oil with the intention of bringing you a clear sense of self, allowing you to connect with the spirit that gives guidance within and without. Ritual body oil is a great addition to pre-ritual practices and preparation, basically like cleansing your mind, body, and spirit, making sure you're in good energy before you do your magic. As you anoint the chakras you wish to enhance, visualize yourself preparing to receive guidance, slowing, calming, and internal chatter of your body and mind. Allow this energy to comfort and center your soul. We have enchanted this ritual body oil with spearmint, eucalyptus, and ylang-ylang oils. In addition, we have included spearmint leaf and eucalyptus herbs. Inside your oil, you will find a Lemurian quartz said to personify oneness in your aura. We have also included a special mixture of our third eye magical oil from our personal cabinet of witchery. Start with a small amount of this oil on your skin, as some may be more sensitive than others. External use only, do not apply to face. That's great to know, guys, not to put it on your face, probably because of all the mintiness. It'll burn your eye really bad if it gets in your eye, but I might put a little bit on my third eye. Oh, I love this, guys, and I love how they include a little bit of essential oil or a little bit of their potion from their own personal cabinet of witchery, and it's for the third eye. I want to work on opening my upper chakras more, guys, so I love it. I love this oil so much. I can't wait to be working with it. It's going to be like my new favorite thing. It's awesome. And let's get into all these goodies, guys. Oh, they gave me a big bag of marijuana. Just joking. It's some spearmint leaf, so this is a nice big bag of it. This smells so good, guys. It reminds me of that gum you get at the grocery store. And now I have it in the herb form. I can use it in my magic and my practice. This is totally going to be a good herb for like clearing negativity, and like I feel like refreshing your soul and opening you up is what I'm feeling energetically. So what they're saying about spearmint leaf is the strength and beauty of the spearmint plant has been very beneficial to many of our rituals and practices, dealing with healing, removing blockages, and bringing clarity to our psychic and spiritual self. The very fresh scented herb spearmint allows us to look at new ideas and possibilities with a renewed perspective. This attribute can be very beneficial while practicing shadow work, as it is vital to be able to work through the ego. While we work with this herb, we find that it has the ability to reveal new doorways during divinatory practice and sleep, allowing us to dive deeper into our connection with our guides, ancestors, and psyche. Sprinkle the spearmint amongst your altar tools to cleanse and protect their energy, as well as a wonderful herb to dress candles and create sachets with. Spearmint has commonly been used in herbal teas, elixirs, whether to start your day off or to end your day in a preparation for ritual and meditation. Spearmint tea is a wonderful absorbent of stale energy. That's good to know. Get rid of that stagnant energy. As you work with this herb to remove the veil from your psychic eye, connect with its ability to bring a fresh, renowned sight to your practice and prophecies. Planetary connection. Venus gender is feminine, elemental connection is water, and magical attributes are psychic clarity, mental strength, and ability of healing and prosperity. Oh, I love this herb so much, guys. I cannot wait to work with it. And can we talk about this beautiful paperwork that they have, guys? I'm gonna have a close-up shot for you as well. It's just amazing how they have information on each tool and to give you a little bit of history and how to use it. Oh no, guys, I was about to drink my drink and there's a dead bug in it, so we're not gonna drink any souls today. But I love how they give you a basic of these tools, guys, and you can use them any way you want. And it looks like there's a beautiful candle in here too, guys, and they wrapped it in this beautiful mint green tissue paper. I just love the details, guys, how they do everything. It's packaged so good, so cute, and it looks like they've totally put some spearmint leaf on this beautiful little spell candle. So this candle is very basic. You can use it for any kind of magic or ritual you guys want, and ooh, it looks beautiful. So for this little candle, it's called The Opened Eye Mini Spell Candle. We have hand-rolled the spell candle with the intention of assisting you in opening your psychic eye. As the flame dances in front of you, allow your mind to be calm and focused. During this time of peace and tranquility, allow your vibration to become more neutral, slowly calming your nerves and anxieties. Focus on your breathing and the beautiful realization that there is just now and that it is all. Connect with this very personal and sacred moment, for these are the building blocks of your pure creation and manifestation. We have hand-rolled this mini spell candle in spearmint leaf to personify your ability to clear pathways along your ritual journey. Affirmation: for as I am clear of still thoughts and emotion, now seeing for the first time, bring this flame the illumination of messages and signs. And I'm going to say of the divine, and so it is. Oh, that's beautiful. I love this, guys. And a little bit on the clear quartz bracelet. They said it's to accompany you throughout your day. We have included a clear quartz bracelet. Within this collection, as you wear this bracelet, allow its cleansing and amplifying power to bring a clearer sense of purpose to your intentions. And it amplifies your intentions. I just love clear quartz. It's amazing, guys. And with the personal oracle card reading, they wrote that they have meditated and selected a card from the Spirit Oracle deck by Tony Chamomile Solariano to place inside your box. This card and the message that holds what was meant for you. Take the time to reflect on wisdom that it holds. Let it resonate with you and assist in easing and pressing realities in your world. So I'm going to definitely meditate with that later. See what the message is from the divine. And let's see what else is there, guys. So there's the candle, the oil, the beautiful tarot card. And it looks like it was the necklace too, and the last thing I got is this amazing incense, guys. 1212, while I look at the timestamp of my camera. Love you, angels, blessed be. This smells good, guys. I actually really like this incense. I can't wait to burn it. Clearing ritual incense. As you allow the smoke of this incense to dance through your surroundings, envision a fog clearing from your space, disappearing into the background. Know that your space is charged and protected. I get a really good cleansing, peaceful, calming vibe from that incense, guys. I love it. It smells amazing. And like I said in my other unboxing video, I live in the forest, guys. If you can tell, there's cedar trees, pine, everything. I got lavender. I got beautiful herbs around me and sage, but I don't know what it is about their incense, guys. It smells so good. The one in the bounty box smelled better in my opinion than this one, but this one smells amazing too in its own way. It's just like feels uplifting, cleansing. I just love it. And it says on this paper a little bit of info on their Book of Shadows artwork. So it's Spearmint Herbal Grimoire artwork. We have partnered with a very talented local artist to create an exclusive piece of artwork to honor Spearmint. So you can add it to your Book of Shadows, have it on your altar. It's just so beautiful, guys. I love it. It's just like amazing. I really love this box so much, guys. I believe, like I said in the beginning of the video, that it's around $35. Honestly, it's so worth your money, guys. Like, those beeswax candles cost so much money, let alone a piece of jewelry, an amazing necklace. Book of Shadows artwork, like this costs money too if you were to buy it somewhere else. And herbs, oils. Alone, guys, people sell their perfumes and oils really, like, there's a price point on it. The Jenna from the White Witch Parlor, her essential oils and things cost like a good chunk of money, as well as Sage Goddess. So alone, guys, one of their perfumes or oils would cost this amount for the whole box, and you get an oil and all these magical tools. And one thing I love about the Witch's Moon, guys, is their products are quality. It's like not cheap. And let's smell this oil. I think I didn't smell it, guys. Oh my god, this smells so good. I want to use some like right now. Anoint my new clear quartz bracelet with it. May you be blessed and cleansed with the element of earth, air, fire, water, and spirit. In the name of Goddess Nyx, so mote it be. Bless my little crystal bracelet. Ooh, I got 1444 in my timestamp again. Ooh, it smells good, guys. I love their oil. This is going to be amazing to work with the element of spirit and my higher self, the divine and Goddess Nyx. So I really did love this Witch's Roots box. Thank you so much, Witch's Moon, for sending me this beautiful subscription box. I'm so grateful and blessed. Thank you to you and Goddess Nyx. If you guys want to check them out again, links in the comment section and description box to subscribe to either of their three subscription boxes. They have a moon box, a Witch's Roots box, which is this herbal one, and their bounty box, which has the beautiful spiritual magical pendant, as well as a crystal candle, essential oil, and all that good stuff. And their Witch's Moon box has like witchy magical stuff that's for $54. Lots of cool things in it. And they also have a little shop where they sell their oils, some Book of Shadows, some beautiful Ascended Master statues, and all that good stuff. So all the links down below to go ahead and check them out, guys. Go show them some love. I love their products and have been a fan for so long, and I'm so excited that I get to unbox their stuff and work with them. Definitely give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on those post notifications down in the description box down below, guys. And by earth, by air, by fire, by water, by spirit, in the name of Goddess Nyx, may you guys be blessed and rejuvenated, so mote it be. Can we also talk about my necklaces, guys? I got this from their Witch's Moon box and this one from their Witch's Bounty box, which is the Aqua Aura Quartz, and they just pair so good together, that like moon energy. I just love it. It's amazing. Definitely check them out down below, guys.